So friends, I want to share something with you all, and that is my new year gift which gave me my love. I still have not opened my new year gifts. Because of that I want to share with you all. That's why I don't know what is inside the gift. So let's see what is inside the gift. There is also a letter here. God, this is me. Just look at this, friend. This is me and this is my smile. Wow, very nice. But friends, I cannot show it here because this is only for me. But whatever, let's see what is inside the gift. My New Year gift, soft pastel.
Wow.
So friends, this is my New Year gift. See this and comment me how was it and show me your New Year gift.